Yes, good morning, students. So, I have observed that in the previous session I had given you an assignment, right? You all were supposed to prepare a role play on the given situation. So, you are supposed to write the dialogues and you had to submit it in a Google Classroom, right? So, I hope you all are ready with the dialogues. Are you all ready? Hello, class. Are you all ready? Why nobody is responding? Okay, so I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes just to recollect and open your dialogues, right? And keep it ready. When I speak your name, you have to read your dialogue. Okay, so just have 2 minutes, recollect. Where did you write it in your book and then open it and be ready to read them. I'm also taking the attendance at the same time, and this attendance I'll take only once. Okay, now let us start. Meet Mehta. Is Meet Mehta present? Meet Mehta.
Yes.
Meet, please read your situation and then read your dialogues.
Person A, ring ring. Person
No,
B,
no,
hello.
no. Read the situation. I think your situation was situation number 10, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So read the situation.
1 minute.
Yeah.
You need to talk to your bank manager. Mr.
Hmm.
Jones, you are not sure of the telephone number but think you have the right one. Telephone your bank, ask to speak to Mr. Jones.
Hmm.
Person A, ring ring, calling. Person B, hello Jack, speaking from
Hmm.
Carvial Garage, how can I help you? And person A, I want to talk with Mr. Jones. Can you please forward call to Mr. Jones? Person
Hmm.
B, please can you recheck the number you dialed? I think you dialed wrong number.
Hmm. Okay, Meet, thank you for first of all reading it and doing the timely work. You will get definitely some points for doing the timely work. However, I suggest that you could have made a couple of more dialogues because it feels that situation ended abruptly. But however, you have also tried to justify. There were no or very few grammatical errors. Very good. Nice, thank you. Now we'll move towards another student, but before that, thank you. Before that, I would like to tell this to the entire class that see, you can change the name if you wish. Okay, if you want to make Jayesh out of John, right? You are allowed. You can change the English names which are there already in the conversation, and you may have your own names as well. Okay, no problem. Now we have Gopal ka number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gopal. Read the situation that were given to you. I think you were given situation number 5. So read
Yes.
it.
Me. Hi, Joe. How are you? Joe. Hello. I am good. How are you? Me. I am good. As you know, yesterday I couldn't attend English lecture as my mother was not well and I missed it. Can you please tell me what the homework was? Joe. In last English lecture, the homework was to complete question answers of chapter 3 and to identify some speech in poem 5. Me. Okay, I will complete it by next lecture. Thank you, Joe. Welcome.
Okay.
I is Joe there speaking what
Gopal, your voice is breaking.
I
Gopal, better we are not able to hear what you are
yes,
saying.
ma'am.
Your voice is cracking. We are not able to hear what you are saying. We missed couple of dialogues in between. Can you read them again?
From beginning,
Yes, beta.
from beginning, I
Gopal, do one thing, rejoin the class because your network has some issue.
okay, ma'am.
Raj Gujaria. Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
Meanwhile Gopal joins, read the situation.
Okay, ma'am.
And read your dialogues. I think Raj, your situation was again situation number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't need to read the situation now. I think class remembers the same situation which me read, right? Yes. So read the dialogues directly.
Person A calling. Person B. Hello, Neeraj. Speaking from JMG Garage. How can I help you? Person A. I want to talk to Mr. Jones. Can you please forward call to Mr. Jones? Person B. Please can you recheck the number you dialed? I think you dialed wrong number. Person A. Thank you for responding me. Person B. Can I help you more out? Person A. No, thanks for responding positively. Person B. Thank you for calling in JMG Garage.
Okay, very nice. Dialogues were good and sensible, no few errors, and I congratulate you for doing it on time. Raj, have you submitted it online
No, ma'am.
in the Google Classroom?
No.
Please submit it right away. Meet Mehta, did you submit online? Meet, did you submit the dialogues online?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please submit it in a Google Classroom, otherwise this assignment will not be considered.
Yes, yes.
Now we have Ayan Mughal. Ayan,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan, read your situation number 8, and read the dialogues.
Yes. Hi,
Gopal, you can
person A.
read after Ayan, okay? Yes, Ayan.
A. Hi, you might be the newcomer in our class. B. Yes.
Read the situation first.
Okay. 8. You. A. You have. You met someone new in your class. You want to invite your new friend out for a coffee on Saturday. Telephone your
Okay.
friend and make it.
Okay.
B. You met someone in your class, but you didn't really like them very much, and you don't want to be with them outside the class.
Okay.
Trying to be polite but say no. Yeah. Hello, you met a newcomer in our class. B- Yeah. Glad to meet you. How are you? I am fine. What about you? I would like to invite you for a coffee after the class on this Saturday. B. Yes, of course I would come, but I have some plans. A.
Okay.
No problem. B. Thank you.
Okay, again, I could have made few more dialogues and you could have used the sentence of invitation. However, I congratulate you for doing the assignment on time and not delaying it. Just a second. Just a second. Yeah, sorry, my computer behaved haywire for a while. Okay. Now, Ayan, okay. Then we have Gopal Kanabar. He is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gopal. Please begin.
Me. Hi, Joe. How are you? Joe. Hello. I am good. How are you? Me. I am good. As you know, yesterday I couldn't attend English lecture as my mother was not well and I missed it. Can you please tell me what the homework was? So, in last English lecture, the homework was to complete question answers of chapter 3 and to identify figures of speech in poem 5. Me.
Hmm.
Okay, I will complete it by next lecture. Thank you. So, welcome.
Very
Friend.
nice.
Hi, is Joe there? Joe speaking. What's up? Friend, why haven't you answered the phone? Joe, my bad. I was busy with something. Friend, where have you been? Joe, yes. All okay. How's your job going? Friend, it's good. So, what was the reason for your call? Friend, I want to meet you since it's have been a long we haven't met. So, yeah, you are true. What did you have in mind? Friend, I was thinking about watching a movie and having a dinner together. Joe, sounds great. Okay, then see you soon. Friend, talk to you later. Bye. Joe, bye.
Okay. Very nice. Nice dialogues. Comparatively little longer, which I really appreciate. No errors and justified the situation. However, I feel that you have not used the sentences I have given, like we have studied in past few sessions, but that's okay. Now, Gopal, have you submitted your assignment in Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Many of you have not done. Gopal, you have done. You are the first student who have done so far. Very nice. Okay, Omdev Se Jadeja. Omdev. Omdev Se Jadeja is absent. Next, we have Yograj Singh Waghela, Heath Kumar, Heath Kumar Mehta, Viraj Dodia.
Yes, ma'am.
Viraj, read your situation aloud in the class
Yes.
and read the dialogues.
Heath. Heath. Hello, Vaibhav. How are you? Vaibhav. I am fine. And
Read the
you?
situation first. Viraj, first you have to read the situation.
Okay, ma'am.
Viraj?
Ma'am,
Yes?
Jadeja Omdev is speaking.
बेटा क्या था?
Ma'am, આજે અત્યારે join થયો.
अच्छा, situation કરવાની છે ને? Have you
No.
done the assignment? Read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
situation and read the dialogue.
એમાં situation X
Meanwhile,
છે.
Viraj finds the situation. ઓમદેવ તમારી situation હતી
8 number.
હા 8. Read the situation and then read the dialogues.
Situation madam ગોતવી પડશે. એક second.
Yes, ma'am. I have to find situation.
Yeah, please tell me.
Oh,
Acha, you have
five.
to find the situation or you have found?
Yes. Fifth situation थी मेरी मैम.
So बेटा
You
situation
need
મળી
to
ગઈ
find. You need to find out what the homework was from the last English class. As you missed it, telephone your friend Joe and ask him her and to tell you about the class of English missed the homework.
Great.
Heath. Hello Joe, how are you? Joe, I am fine and you? Heath. Yesterday what in English lecture to be done. So uh, Joe, you have not in a class? Joe, Heath. No, yesterday I am not feeling good, so I am appointed to doctor. Joe, okay, yesterday in a English lecture started the unit 3 and about introduction. Thank you.
Good, Viraj. Could have been little longer, but no problem. You did on the time is a good thing, and very few errors of grammar is a good thing. Did you submit the assignment online, Viraj?
No, ma'am, बाकी आज
Please
मैं
do
कर
it.
देता. Okay, okay.
हाँ. Omdev,
Yes ma'am.
you don't need to read the situation. Viraj has already read. He was also 8. Situation number 8 he worked on. So please read your dialogues now.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am બોલું?
Yes, start.
Suryadipsi. Hey, Jai Mataji Ramdev. Ramdev. Hey, Jai Mataji. May I know who's calling? Suryadipsi. This is Suryadipsi, your classmate. Ramdev, oh Suryadipsi, how are you? Suryadip, I am fine. What about you? Ramdev, I am good. Suryadip, would you please join me for the tea? Ramdev, yes, sure. Suryadip, what about going to US Pizza on Saturday? Ramdev, I would love to have a tea and US Pizza in such a nice place, but I am sorry I can't. Suryadip, why? Ramdev, because I have another commitment on Saturday, but thank you so much for inviting me. Suryadip, okay, don't worry. Ramdev, we will go next time. Suryadip, yeah, sure. Then Jai Mataji. Ramdev, okay, Jai Mataji. Done, ma'am.
But Omdev, beta, is it not about you ask for the homework to your teacher? Situation 8 is not that?
મેમ સિચ્યુએશન એ તો પેલી હશે કદાચ આપણે બધાને બોલાવવાની.
Okay. Okay, fine. I'll consider. I don't know. Omdev, I can't consider this. Or maybe if I consider, I'll give low marks because situation 8 is. Viraj, read your situation 8 loudly again. Omdev, please read this. Listen to the situation. Viraj? Viraj Dodia?
Yes.
Huh. Can you read loud the situation? Read your situation loudly.
મેમ સિચ્યુએશન 8 મારી સામે છે રીડ કરું?
Ha ha, please read it.
મેમ સિચ્યુએશન 8A, you meet someone new in your class, you want to invite your new friend out
Okay,
for
okay, fine, done.
અરે મારું બરાબર ને મેડમ?
Yes, ma'am. Situation read करना है.
No, not now. Now it is done.
Okay.
Okay, Omdev, yeah, yes, your dialogues are right, appropriate. I thought the situation 8 is asking homework. because I've not opened it in front of me.
No
But
issue.
now everything is all right except the greetings you kept Jai Mataji. You can do this greeting informally, right?
Yes.
But in a formal situation you can't have. However, your situation was informal, so this is okay. Fine.
મેં માર્ક મળશે ને
Okay?
હારા?
हाँ बेटा.
Thank you.
Marks મળશે, yes. Vishnu, Vishnu, Aryan, Vidhi, Vidhi Gajera, Shruti Chovatia. Shruti present. Meet Booth, Dhruvi.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Yes, good morning, beta. Yours is situation number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the situation and then read the
Uh,
dialogue.
yes, ma'am. Just a minute. Okay. Situation is you need to telephone a flower shop and order some flower for friends who have their 20th wedding anniversary.
Hmm.
Okay. Hello. I am talking to Bloomling Wonderful, the flower shop. Yes, ma'am. How can I help you? I would like to order a bouquet for a friend went with 20th anniversary. All right, ma'am. What kind of bouquet you want to place? I would like to add red rose and some petals and covering a bouquet with white ribbon. Okay, ma'am. Copy that. And can you please write a message with bouquet? Yes, sure, ma'am. Can you please message message address and your message to a friend? Yes, sure. Wish you happy 20th anniversary. May your marriage wedding blessed with love and enjoy. You celebrate your love as beautiful as you both are. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Dhruvi, nice try. There were a couple of errors like may your life be blessed, and then may your love be as beautiful as you both are. So there were a few sentences. Otherwise, I like there were a few errors. Overall, I really like the conversation. Nicely done, and it looks realistic, and it
Okay.
has a good length as well. Very nice, Dhruvi. Maulik, absent. Shreya,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, madam.
good morning. So, Shreya, please read your situation. Your situation is situation number 1.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
please read it.
You need to telephone your doctor. You have an appointment on Tuesday that 3rd at 16:45, but you need to change it to Thursday that 5th at 3 o'clock afternoon 3 o'clock. On Monday 9th you are busy all day, but Tuesday 10th you have a free day.
Hmm.
Person B, you are the receptionist at medical center, the doctor's clinic. You have no free appointment on Thursday, that is 5th, as doctor will be away that day. The next day, the doctor is free, that is Monday 9th.
Hmm.
May I read my dialogues now?
Yes, beta, please.
Person A, hello, are you from Shriji Clinic? The person B, yes, thank you for calling Shriji Clinic. Then person A, I am Shreya Vishnani, needs appointment. I want to reappointment my day as I'm not free on Tuesday,
Hmm.
that is 16:45. And person B, but on that day the sir is going out. So then sir will be free on next day, that is 10th. Then can you please inform that can you please inform the doctor that I will be coming on 10th? Reception person B. Yes, I will tell. Thank you for keeping my name on 10th. Okay, I have done. Thank you for calling and informing us.
Thank you. Nice dialogues. Appropriate, Shreya.
Okay.
No errors, like, and the appropriate length of conversation is good. Situation was a bit difficult, but you handled it nicely. Paras, Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Paras, you had not been given the situation, right? Because it is not written here. Have you worked on anything?
मैंने सबमिट किया है मैम.
So, can you read the
I'm
situation
sorry
and
for
dialogue?
interruption. I have not submitted in the classroom. Can I submit today?
Yes, everybody must submit.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
Okay? Yes. Paras,
Yes.
please read.
Customer, hi, my name is Lakhan. What is your
A
name? I will
situation,
listen.
Paras, situation first.
मैम मुझको तो 10वें नंबर की सिचुएशन दी थी.
Okay, you have situation number 10. Okay. Can you read situation number 10 first? Do you have it with you? Situation? Or you will have to find out?
दूसरी सिचुएशन बोलूं मैम?
પણ એમ નહીં તારે 10 તે ડાયલોગ્સ કઈ સિચ્યુએશન પર બનાવ્યા છે?
दूसरी सिचुएशन पर.
दूसરી મીનિંગ સિચ્યુએશન નંબર 2.
Can be.
ના, તમારે ડાયલોગ્સ પારસ 10A અને B બંનેમાં બનાવવાના છે. તમે સાંભળો છો ને બધા ડાયલોગ્સ વાંચે છે એ?
Yes, ma'am.
એટલે તમારે A અને B બંનેના ડાયલોગ્સ બનાવવાના છે. બંનેના બનાવ્યા છે કઈ સિચ્યુએશનમાં બને? બીકોઝ મારી પાસે અહીંયા નોટિંગ નથી. તમે કઈ સિચ્યુએશનમાં ડાયલોગ્સ બનાવ્યા છે? નંબર બોલો
मैंने
સિચ્યુએશન.
दोनों सिचुएशन में बनाया है, पर वो 10 है ना, उसका एक बार आ गया है.
कोई बात नहीं. सी एवरीबडी, देयर विल बी सो मेनी रिपीटेशंस, डोंट वरी. ओके?
Yes.
Okay, so Paras, you may read situation number 10 and then read the dialogues. Do you have the situation number 10 with you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, then read it.
Call to bank. Hi, my name is Paras. I am a customer of your bank. Manish. Hi, my name is Manish Parekh. I am an account operator. Why are you calling? Paras. I need to talk to your bank manager, Mr. Jones, due to some loan issue. Please give them telephone and talk to me. Manish. Yeah, sure. Why not? Just a second. Mr. Jones, what is your problem? I solved. Hurry up. Paras. Sir, I request you please load down your bank loan charges due to some business problem. Mr. Jones, yes, sure. I will talk to loan operator and said about your loan rate charges problem. They solved your problems. Paras, thanks, regards.
Okay. There were some gaps I felt in the situation. You could have made little better, but anyway, thank you for doing it on time and doing the assignment. There were few errors. Please post it in the Google Classroom. Okay, Paras?
मैंने सबमिट कर दिया है मैम.
Very nice. Wonderful, beta. Thank you. Anurag? Anurag people, yeah? Kaushal, Dhruv, Dev Raval.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Dev, please read the situation and dialogues.
Ma'am, 10th B.
10, situation number 10.
B.
No, you have to do A and B both.
Okay, ma'am. Customer. Hi, my name is Chandubai. What's your name? I will listen your garage name. It is a very famous. Parthiv. Hi, my name is Dhruv. Yes, we have a very special garage. We are repair all for sport car and many other car. Customer, thanks for your information. I have in car have repair. My garage is a possible as fast. Parthiv, welcome. Why not? Welcome. Why not? We shall repair your. We shall repair your only that an hour and 5 hour and talk low rate for your satisfaction. Uh, Parthiv, uh, Parthiv, thanks for your fantastic. I will always repair sports car in your garage. Dhruv, your satisfaction is your profit. Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, these dialogues did not make much sense. I mean, you couldn't understand. I couldn't understand the dialogues much. Do you have any friend in the class?
No, ma'am.
Nobody? Can you read them again one more time?
No, ma'am. No.
Why no?
Ma'am, send your PPT in.
You don't have to send PPT. You have to just submit Word file in Google Classroom.
મેડમ હું તમને મોકલી દઉં.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have Dev Raval. Dev? Absent. Dev Raval. Shruti Gelani. Shruti? Mansi? Mihir? Akshit? Mihir
Yes,
Makaria? Akshit? Akshit, beta, have you prepared the dialogues?
મેમ હું લાસ્ટ બે લેક્ચરમાં હતો જ નહીં.
તો હવે કાલ સુધીમાં કરી નાખજો.
હા.
બરાબર, સિલેક્ટ એની વન સિચ્યુએશન. ગૂગલ ક્લાસરૂમમાં મેં બધાને એડ કર્યા છે, ત્યાંથી તમે એક્સેસ કરી શકશો.
હા મેમ.
મિહિર માકડિયા,
Yes, madam.
બેટા રીડ કરો સિચ્યુએશન નંબર 5. ફર્સ્ટ રીડ ધ સિચ્યુએશન.
મેડમ મેં સબમિટ કરી દીધો છે, બટ છે ને મારે હોસ્પિટલના કામકાજમાં આમથી આમ છો ને એટલે રીડ નહીં કરી શકું. મેં સબમિટ કરી દીધો. તમારે જોવું હોય તો જોઈ શકો છો.
કાલે વાંચી શકશો?
હા, કાલે વાંચી શકું.
ટુમોરો
કારણ કે
I have a lecture
મમ્મીની
and tomorrow
તબિયત
is the last
બરાબર
chance, right? For
નથી
everybody.
ને એટલે આમથી આમ ભાગું છું મેડમ એટલે.
ના ના, કઈ વાંધો નહીં, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. કાલે you read tomorrow, okay?
હા હા, પાકું મેડમ.
યશ ભુવા, Akshay Pfeffer, Shyam Saraswadia. Darshit, Vansh, Joy, Jial, Shanawaz, Somil, Sahil, Meet Varsani.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Meet Varsani situation number 10.
Yes.
Please read the situation and dialogues.
Just 1 minute, ma'am. I classroom open.
Ah.
Situation number 10. You need to talk to your manager, Mr. Jones. You are not sure of the telephone number, but think you have the right one. I read dialogue, ma'am.
Yes, please read.
A. Hello. B. Hi, sir. How may I help you? A. I need to talk to Mr. John, bank manager. B. Sorry, sir, but this is a garage. A. Who are you? B. I work here is mechanical. A. I thought I. B. Sorry, sir. I guys you dialed a wrong number. A. I thought sorry to dial you. B. It's all sir. I help you with your B. Oh sir, you can all time anytime. I know. B. Sure. Good day, sir. Goodbye.
Very nice. I like your effort because there was some issue in English. I know you had some problem in English, constructing them completely in English, but I like your effort, right, with which you did it, and you justified the situation. Many people have wrongly done the situation. So, very nice. Thank you. This is Meet
Thank you.
Varsani, right? What is your name? Hello.
Meet Varsani.
Okay, yes. Next is Meet Sojitra. Ishita, Harshit, Vidhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidhi, situation number 2. Read the situation and dialogue.
Okay. My situation was you are going to miss sorry. You need to telephone your partner at his or her office. You plan to be at home early today so you could go out for a dinner together, but you have to stay at work until very late. Telephone your partner's office and tell him or her the bad news. Make sure you say sorry. So,
Okay,
can I read the
continue.
dialogues now?
Yes, yes.
To A, hello. To B, hello. It's Miss Sa from Smith and Jones Publishing Limited. How may I help you? To A, it's Mr. Patel here. Can I talk to my wife, Mrs. Patel? To B, sorry, sure. She is in an important meeting right now. I can't disturb her. If you want, you can give me the message. I'll pass it to her. To A, actually, we planned to go out for a dinner tonight, but I'll be late from office because I have to stay late at office due to some work, and I can't come home early. I need to cancel the dinner plan. Please say her sorry and pass this message to her. Okay, sir. Anything else? No, thank you. You're welcome, sir. To A, bye bye. To B, bye bye, sir.
Okay, very nice. You read them too quickly, but the dialogues were correct, and I'm happy you did them nicely. Okay, so nice work done. Have you submitted it in a Google Classroom?
Yes, I've done.
Yes, very nice. That's great. Now we have Karamveer Singh, Janish, Kavan, Dhairya, Yash Booth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yash, situation number 5. Read the
Kavan,
situation.
Kavan.
Okay. Read the situation 3 and read the dialogues.
1 or 3? 2. Which one? A or B? Sorry.
Yours here it is written situation number 3.
Okay. ઓલું છે મેડમ ગ્રીન ઓલા સોપ વાળું ફ્લાવર વાળું બોલું.
Okay, Hari.
Me. Hello, I am speaking with representative of Green Blossom Shop. Representative. Yes, how may I help you? Me. I would like to order some flowers for my friends, please. Representative. Do you have anything in particular in mind? They love red roses. Representative. Are they for any particular occasion? Me. Yes, it's their 20th wedding anniversary.
Okay.
Representative. We can arrange a red roses bouquet to suit the occasion. We When would you like to flowers delivered? Me. The anniversary is tomorrow. Can you deliver it in the morning to their house around 10 a.m. please? Representative. Certainly. I just need the delivery name, address, and your contact number. Me. Please deliver it to Mr. and Mrs. Patel, 102 COM apartment XYZ Road. My contact number is 9283 blah blah blah.
Okay.
Representative, they will be 2000 rupees included delivery. Me, kindly mail me the bill and I will pay through Google Pay. And can you attach the congratulation card? Representative, no problem. Me, thank you so much.
વાહ. ચાર્જીસ બહુ વધારે છે તમારા 2000 રૂપિયા. Nice dialogues, very sensible. I liked your sense to have a representative there. Okay, very
Thank you.
nice, Kavan, nicely done. Then Dhairya absent, yes. Yash absent. Kunjal, Abhi, Dikshit, Moksh, Mitali, Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Mitali present. Mitali situation number 8.
8A, you met someone new in your class. You want to invite your new friend out for a coffee on Saturday. Telephone your friend and make a date. 8B, you met someone in your class but you didn't really like them very much and you don't want to be with them outside in class. Answer the telephone. Try to be polite but say no.
Okay.
Madhvi, hey, good morning, Nikki. Nikki, hey, good morning. May I know who's calling? Margi, this is Margi, your classmate. Nikki, oh, Margi, how are you? Margi, I am fine. What about you? Nikki, I am good. Margi, would you please join me for a coffee? Nikki, yes, sure. Margi, what about going to the tea post on Saturday? Margi, I would love to have a tea and tea post is such a nice place, but I am sorry I can't. Margi, why? Because I have another commitment on Saturday, but thank you so much for inviting me. Margi, okay, don't worry, Nikki. We will go next time. Margi, yes, sure, then bye, Nikki. Okay, bye, see you soon.
Very nice. Actually, I like the dialogues, and I like the reason that Tea Post is a nice place, and good dialogues. Thank you for doing it on time and doing it nicely. Raj absent. Himanshu, Nikhil, Harshal, Jay, Harpal, Vaibhav, Devang, Viraj, Yash, Amish, Uday, Shivaniba.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay, who was this? Was Shivaniba. Other person was Uday.
Yes, ma'am.
Uday, situation number 1. Read the dialogues
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
and read the situation as well.
Rajesh. Hi, Mr. Shah. My name is Rajesh. Mr. Shah. Hello, Rajesh. How are you? Rajesh. I am fine, and you?
Rajesh, sorry, wait. You did not read the situation, Uday.
Okay, ma'am. Number 1. You need a telephone your doctor. You have an appointment on Tuesday, 3rd, and 6:45, but you need to change it is Tuesday. On Monday, 9 a.m., you are busy all day, but Tuesday you have a free day.
Yes, now go ahead.
Rajesh. I am Mr. Shah. My name is Rajesh. Mr. Shah. Hello, Rajesh. How are you? Rajesh. I am fine. And you, Mr. Shah? I am also fine. Tell me, how can I help you? Rajesh. I appointment that I had with you on Monday. I will have to change in on Tuesday. Mr. Shah. Why? What happened? Rajesh. I am busy all the day. Only for Tuesday I am free. Mr. Shah. Okay, no problem. Now when do you want to keep an appointment? Rajesh, yesterday appointment 3 p.m. because I am free at that time. Mr. Shah. Okay, no problem. Rajesh, thank you. Mr. Shah, welcome.
Pretty nice. Great. Shivaniba,
Yes, ma'am.
read your situation and dialogues. Situation number 8.
Yes. You met someone new in your class. You want to invite your new friend for a coffee on Saturday. Telephone your friend and make a date. Merlin. Hello, Olivia. How are you doing? Olivia. Hi, Merlin. I'm doing good. What about you? Merlin. I'm awesome. I was wondering if you would like to grab a cup of coffee with me. Olivia. Sure, I would love to. Merlin. Great. What about meeting on Saturday? Olivia. Sure. What time? Merlin. Let's catch up at 5 p.m. Olivia. All right. See you soon. That's it, ma'am.
Very nice. I like the delivery of dialogues. The way you read was very clear and nicely written. There are no errors. Great. Yash Booth can't speak. But Yash attendance pan hati. Abhi Sanja cannot leave while others are doing work. Okay, now that's all for the day. Now see, I would like to tell you that this is the only day where you have the privilege of reading your dialogues, today and tomorrow. There are 2 lectures. After that, everybody who does not read will get only minimum marks. Okay, even if you submit your assignment, you will get only minimum marks. Okay, Moksh and Dhyay. Sorry, Yash. Okay, are present. Okay, but at least you should have said this. Vaibhav Parekh, I'm not taking attendance like this. I have already taken the attendance once, and that's all. Moksh, tomorrow you'll have to read the situation. So thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining the session. Have a good day. You may leave the session. Tomorrow, please read your dialogues, remaining students.